what's up guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Subscribe my channel. So today we are drawing a simple practice object. So let's start. Firstly go to the new and go to the part. Select all the planes and click on show. Select the front plane and click on sketch. Firstly we need to draw this full sketch. Then we can extrude cut the unwanted portion also. Firstly we need to draw that profile. So let's draw the line. And get the shape also. So with the dimension as 100 mm to the horizontal line, let's draw the profile by the line command only. We can give the dimension to that profile. So let me give the dimension. These all dimensions are as per our sketch. So let me complete it. These are our dimensions. Then exit sketch, go to the Extrude Boss. And select the extruded length as 32 mm into the direction 1 and 32 mm into the direction 2. Then we need to draw the extrude cut of the front side or at the right plane. Then firstly we need to draw the rectangle for that. Then we can do the dimensions to him. That is 50 mm length and the height as 6 mm. We can adjust it to the center. So we can give the dimension, or also we can give the relation between them as coincident. So we are giving the dimension and give it as 0 mm. Then exit sketch, go to the extrude cut and select through all. Click on OK. So it will cut whole of the portion. Then we move to our next step. So select face of that object and create a slot. So we can adjust the dimensions by double click on our drawn object. Select the width as 18 mm and the length as 38 mm, which is outer dimensions. And we can also give the dimensions to constrain our sketch. So center to edge dimension as 10 plus 13 mm. Now our sketch is fully constrained or fully defined. Our slot is complete. So exit sketch and go to the extruded cut. Select through all and click on OK. Then select top face of the object and click on sketch. So firstly we go with the center line to draw the circles. So firstly give the reference dimensions to that center line to draw the circles. So I'll take it as 13 mm as per sketch. Then go to the circle command and draw the circle and give the smart dimensions to that circle as per our sketch, that is diameter is 6 and the dimensions from the outer edge as 10 mm and from the bottom side as 13 mm, which is symmetric to both the circles. And the center to center distance as 44 mm. Then exit sketch, go to the extrude cut and select the extruded length as through all and click on OK. Then we need to draw the slot, tapered slot at the top face of the object. Then select the top face of the object and click on sketch and draw the lines to get the reference. So we can draw the lines and give the dimension to that lines as 24 mm and larger line as 38 mm. We can adjust the center of line. So we can add the relation between the line as center on the horizontal and similarly to the other line as horizontal relation. Click on OK. Now we can join the remaining portion between that line by using line command to close our profile. Then exit sketch, go to the extruded cut and select extruded length as 13 mm. Then we need to draw the top circle, remaining circle. Then select the tapered cut top face of the object. Then draw the circle and give the dimension as 10 mm diameter and 19 mm from the bottom side and correctly center at the object. Then exit sketch, go to the extrude cut, select through all and click on OK. Now our object is complete. Hey guys, subscribe my channel. Hope you like the video.